Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Today we are making Kpomo sauce that you can eat with either your yam, your plantain or even white rice. This Kpomo sauce is so delicious, you are going to love it and it doesn't even take much time to cook. This is just a one pot Kpomo sauce. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video and leave your comments. Okay, to my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing and welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. To make this sauce, you don't really need much. So here is my Kpomo. I just brought it out from the fridge and I've already washed it. So here is it. So the thing you're seeing there is eyes. So those are eyes that you're seeing. And here is my pepper mix. I have my scotch bonnet pepper and my bawa. I'm going to wash the bawa and the tatashi. I also have tatashi here and I'm going to remove the seed, okay, so that it will not be bitter. I heard that the seed is bitter. This pepper is not hot at all, that's why I'm adding. Don't look at it like this much pepper. No, the peppers are not much. I just have few of the scotch bonnet pepper and then bawa and tatashi. So here is my onions. I'm going to be using some to cook the Kpomo and then I'm going to be blending the other ones with the pepper, okay. And of course I have my ginger and my garlic here. I'm going to be blending it together with my pepper. So guys, we are going to start now by cutting our Kpomo. So I'm going to cut this Kpomo into sizable or biteable size, okay. And here we have our Kpomo. I've done cutting. We are going to start now to start cooking the Kpomo. So I'm going to say that I wash this Kpomo after cutting with hot water. So to remove that Kpomo taste, you know that Kpomo have one taste. So I use one water and salt to wash it again and rinse it again, okay, with hot water. So now I'm just going to add it in the pot and I'll be going in with my pepper. I'll be adding in my onions to this. And then I'll be going in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to add water now, enough to cook it. I don't need much water for this sauce. And then I'm going to stir everything very well to combine. I will cover now and I'll allow this to cook. So here Kpomo is cooked. I'll be adding in my vegetable oil. So we just have little water in the pot, okay. I added in my vegetable oil, and then I'll be adding in my pepper mix. That's my bawa, tatashe, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. I'm going to stir this now to combine. Then I will cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook, okay, so that the pepper can cook. So guys, our pepper is cooked now. I'm just going to stir this now and I will add in chopped onions to this, fresh chopped onions to this. And then I'll be adding in my seasoning cube for adjustments. I'm going to mix everything now to combine. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay. And if you have not shared this video, please share this video and don't forget to like this video, okay. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments for me in the comment section. So I'm just going to garnish this with some spring onions, but this is optional. If you don't want, you can just leave it, okay. And I'm going to mix this, and at this point our Kpomo sauce is ready. And guys, this is what we have. Our sauce is ready. Let me know what you'll be enjoying this sauce with, and which drink will you be enjoying this sauce with. I enjoyed mine with roasted plantain. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to share my video and don't forget to leave your comment for me, okay. I love to get your feedback. I love leaving your comments, okay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way again tomorrow, please stay safe. Bye.